Hey, what's up, YouTube Nation? Finally getting to do an intro video for the new channel. Yes, it is a new channel. Another DIY channel. Can you imagine that? I know there's a billion of them out there, but hey, every one of them has their own special flavor, their own special details, and everything else. I'm hoping that I can fall into that mix and provide you some great content. So who am I? My name is Darren, DIY1978Guy. As you look down below, there will be details about me in the comment section and in the description section, but I'm just a simple DIY guy, honestly, from South Louisiana. I've been doing DIY for my entire life, so long and so much that this shirt pretty much represents my credo. I fix stuff and I know things. Some things. I'm a master at practically none, but really good at a lot of other things. But anyway, I wanted to launch this channel just to help provide the rest of the DIY nation, details and ways of doing things, and maybe some humor, some fun stuff that goes on or whatever. You just never know what's going to happen on this channel. It's a no holds barred, it's anything can go kind of thing, but I hope it's entertaining and I hope some people learn some stuff from it. So I've been doing DIY stuff since I was about 4 years old or so, again, much to the detriment of myself a lot of times, because parents aren't really happy about when you take good working stuff apart and can't put it back together. So I learned at a very early age that I had a choice between learning how to put something back together or getting a butt whooping, and I grew up in an Italian family, and so anybody that knows how that goes, let me tell you, the wet noodles hurt, or the gucciard as they call it, the wooden spoon. But anyway, I digress. That really drove my passion for doing things. Eventually I learned how to start putting stuff back together, and in the process also learned how to fix things. I just have a general passion for wanting to know how things work. I guess you could really say it started when I was a few months old, actually, or when I was able to start walking. I don't know, maybe about a year old, something like that. My passion for cars started then, when I took my parents' keys, not once but twice, stuck them in the electric socket. True story, it was a shocking experience. And anyway, my parents knew they were going to have trouble on their hands, but that trouble ended up turning into somebody that saves them a lot of money on fixing things. As a matter of fact, family and friends. That's pretty much what I'm known for around my circle and around my group and around pretty much everybody I know. So I just love taking things apart. I love figuring out how they operate. I like putting them back together. I like fixing things. I'm also stubborn when it comes to a problem. I don't like to let a problem get the best of me, and so that drives me a lot of times as well. And sometimes the more difficult the problem, the harder I drive at it. But like all of you out there, I know there's a million YouTube videos on these things. I watch a lot of YouTube videos as well, so hopefully as time goes on, I'll polish my style and sort of make it a little more entertaining, maybe have some music and things of that sort. But, I hope my drive for this channel is a few things. Number one, I hope you enjoy it. I hope you just enjoy the content, and maybe I provide some humor here and there and whatnot. Number two, I hope you learn something from it. Like I said, I know there's 1,000 YouTube videos on some of these topics, but every video always has some detail or some sound bite or some video shot or something that makes it stand out and gives you maybe that extra piece, that extra variable that ties something together for you. I hope that's it. I mean, we're going to cover a whole lot of things. If this channel goes the way I'd like it, we're going to cover a whole lot of things. Could be automotive, could be mechanical, could be small engine, could be electrical, it could be anything. Just whatever I decide to get my hands into. Now, one other thing that drove my passion is the fact that, these so-called professionals out there a lot of times cost a lot of money. Every one of you knows what I'm talking about, and I learned really quickly that I could mess things up 2, 3, 4 times for the same price as it cost me to pay a professional to mess it up once. The other thing is too, if you do it yourself, you have an inherent understanding of exactly how it works, so the next time you have to do it, you already have a basis of understanding. But anyway, kind of rambling here, just wanted to make an opening video for everybody. I'm passionate about this stuff. I love being in front of the camera. I love teaching, and I love learning, okay? So I'm gonna learn from you guys too. I'm gonna learn in the comments. I'm gonna learn with feedback. I'll learn from other videos. Don't be shy to leave me comments, feedback, things of that sort, suggestions, whether it's good or bad. I'll take it all. I may not always agree with it, but you know, I'll take it all and I'll read it and take it to heart. But there should be some more videos here dropping soon. I'm gonna do another one here in a little while. As a follow-up to the first one I did. Some of these things may not actually be fixes. Some of them might just be troubleshooting expeditions that we're going on, things like that, just to understand, here's a problem, here's my train of thought, here we're gonna get through it and see what the next steps are. So anything's possible, but I hope you guys enjoy the ride, and I'm really, really happy and excited to do this. So show some love, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.